Hello everyone, this is the quick review of the Keychron Q1. This is Keychron's newest budget mechanical keyboard. An upgrade for me personally, I think, from the Keychron K2, which was my first budget quote-unquote mechanical keyboard. It's really amazing. You heard the sound test. That is all stock. So fully assembled, this will cost you around $84. I got this for a total of, I think, 4,000 plus, including shipping from abroad. And it's really good because it's a full kit that beginners can enjoy out of the box. It's plastic case, no aluminum thingamajigs like that, but it feels really sturdy. It feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap. There's a weight in it. I mean, there's no internal weight for like what you see in custom keyboards, but it's not light. It's not light. It has dampening foams inside, so there's no hollowness, unlike the K2 V2 that I tried as my first keyboard. It comes with good keycaps and brown switches that initially I thought were Keychron switches, but it's the Keychron K Pro brown switches. I'm gonna do more research on those switches, their specs and all. But for this quick review, needless to say, it's good. It's south facing. It has QMA and VIA compatibility. There's a version with a knob. Okay, hot swappable. Yes, it's a tray mount design, so don't expect any bounce or flex from there. But the typing feeling is good. It's stiff, but stiff doesn't mean bad, right? Really, really good. Really impressed. And it looks good. It looks premium. When I first got this thing out of the box, I thought it was an aluminum keyboard, but really, really impressed. So do stay tuned. I will have a full review and modding guide because I think there's a lot that you can do to improve the sound of this keyboard. It doesn't sound bad stock, but there's a lot of thing that you can do, and I think I'm really excited. I think this is going to be an amazing keyboard for beginners out there going into the hobby. So stay tuned for that. See you in the next video.